I know, it's because I gotta. Oof.
Look at all those hiccups. Patreon people are gonna be sad they're not gonna get the video.
No, I'm getting a better video on my phone right now. Oof. Oh shit. I gotta go to the stream. Shit. I died. I was busy recording a better video for my Patreon so they could see my stomach bouncing like what they've been asking for. Sorry, I have my phone propped up so they can watch me.
Watch out, Watson. Watch out.
Oh shit. I mean, like, Zygo can totally post this video from this clip of me getting the hiccups on stream on YouTube, but I'll have a better video of it on my Patreon. Oof. Or whoever was supposed to.
Bro.
That was partially totally my fault because I wasn't paying attention and I died because I wasn't moving at all when I dropped.
I'm about to get off.
I'm sorry guys, with my hiccups they're probably annoying to you guys.
I told you the game was bad.
Oh, it just feels really stale.
I was literally not even putting any effort when I was playing.
Same.
That's how that's how bad I think the game is. Like I actually have way more fun on Ashes of Creation.
I really need to download that game so I can check it out.
It's really good. It's on Steam. It's free. Their devs aren't idiots.
It's like 30 gigabytes though.
I mean, I have 1,000 download speed, so it was quick.
Yeah, my shit is ass. That shit took me a whole 2 hours.
Damn, it took me 10 minutes.
Bro, I'm astrolining.
I'm just currently making a better video for my Patreon.
Bro, just hop on. Fuck you. It's the worst that could happen.
Who, me?
Not Lloyd.
Oh.
I have my phone propped up right in front of me. Sorry, guys. Sorry, guys.
Wait,
I'm live
is it
right
his
now.
left hand or his right hand?
I thought it was his left hand.
Yeah, if it's his left hand, that's nothing. If it's his right hand, then yeah, he can't play.
He can't use his pointer finger.
Why the fuck did he leave?
He hurt his wrist at work.
Yeah, I know. Some boxes fell on him or some shit.
Mm-hmm.